Did you know that when you get a birth certificate and a social security number that you technically become a child of the state? Let me break this down to you. Book reference. In ancient and modern history, the role of the father within the family structure varied across different civilizations and culture. However, there are general patterns that can be observed to wit: 1. Authority and headship. 2. Ownership of children. 3. He was the economic provider. 4. The educational role. 5. The father was the head of the religious and ritualistic functions of the family. 6. The fathers typically arranged marriages. Traditionally, in patriarchal societies, this is the norm. This is basic common knowledge that has been accepted by the majority of the world. Now, the following is an example of how the state plays the exact role of the father for its children called citizens, residents, etc. i.e., when you get a birth certificate and a social security number, this is what they presume you as. Now, for citizens, residents, etc., this is how the state plays the authority figure, or the father. Number 1 is authority and regulation. The state exercises authority through laws and regulation governing various aspects of its citizens' lives, including marriage laws, educational standards, and other legal frameworks. 2. Marriage and legal recognition. States regulate and legally recognize marriages through marriage certificates, providing a legal framework for marital relationships and associated rights and responsibility. 3. Education and socialization. The state manages public educational systems, setting educational standards, providing public schools, and regulating curricula to ensure a standardized and often state-controlled form of education. 4 is economic provider and social welfare. The state provides social welfare programs, public services, and infrastructure to support citizens economically, ensuring a basic standard of living for its population. 5 is legal and judicial system. 6 is religious and civic functions. 7 is ownership of children, citizens, and identity. The state owns state-registered children through birth certificates and social security numbers. It grants citizenship and legal identity, with individuals inheriting certain rights and responsibilities as citizens of a particular state. Now, it's mainly through those two documents that organizations such as Child Protective Services are able to act as if they own your children, and in some instances, take your children away from you. Why? Because children are deemed wards of the state due to the connection of those two instruments. And due to that, this is why I created this book. It teaches parents, mothers, and couples how to have your child delivered at a hospital without getting a social security number or a birth certificate, along with other pertinent information teaching parents their rights and how to protect their children legally and lawfully. There's an ebook version available that comes with template and, of course, the physical copy. Go to notborninsin.com to get the ebook and the templates.